The all-new Nissan Fairlady Z has now gone on sale in Japan. 5 variations are available, and most have a 6-speed manual or 9-speed automatic. Prices range from $38,000 to $51,000. 3 exterior colors are monotone, while the others have a super black roof. This includes Siren Blue and Ikazuchi Yellow. The Nissan Z starts a little higher than the Toyota A90 Supra in Japan, although the Toyota has a smaller 2.0-liter engine. GR Supra costs between $36,000 to $51,000. The Z is the first blown Fairlady since the iconic 300ZX. Drive is transmitted exclusively to the rear wheels via a 6-speed MT or 9-speed ET. Both choices include launch control. This is Nissan's first manual transmission vehicle with launch control. Carbon fiber drive shaft and rev matching are standard. Standard features include full LED headlights with dual LED DRLs, 19-inch wheels, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8-inch touchscreen display, and a Bose 8-speaker sound system. Proto-spec version restricted to 240 units.